Hey guys, Justice Curry here. Welcome to the adventure. Hey guys, just got home from my drive. I just want to show you how jam-packed my vehicle is. So, it was driving me nuts. I had to seat belt it in there because, you know, the alerts were going bing, 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 like buckle up because it feels pressure, and it thought someone was sitting there, so I had to buckle it up because it was driving me nuts. Whatever. Back there, it's gonna be hard to see through with the reflections, so let me turn the car on and kind of roll down the windows a little bit here. Alright, so where are we going? What? I gotta click it even more? This is chaos! Chaos! Alright, there we go. Jammed to the packed. The other one's gonna be pretty similar. And I'm sure if I open the back trunk right now, things are just going to fall out. Let's see. Oh, no. Oh, maybe not. Packed, packed, packed to the brim. I need to start getting like a U-Haul truck or a giant box truck is what I need to do. And in this section, check out that. That's a beautiful painting right there, print. So alright guys, just now comes the tedious task of unpacking it, sorting it, and figuring out when in my life I'll be able to sell it because I don't have time. I love you all. Bye.
I run it like a point guard, Justice Curry the trade.
Hey guys, Justice Curry with you today. I want to show you a wonderful, wonderful collection that my buddy is selling. And he's selling the majority of it to me. He doesn't want to be featured in the video. Some people have privacy things, which I totally get it. But he said, I don't mind. Go ahead, film away. And then I'm going to jam-pack my car with most of it. But you are going to absolutely love what kind of things he has. So without further ado, and me blabbering on and on, let me start showing you. First up, which will be a new one on me. I've never bought a collection that includes many of these, are the statues. These really, really cool, hot-looking kind of pinup girl statues of various superheroes from Marvel and DC. Moving over here, you got some Teen Titans and Bombshells and Harley Quinn. One of my favorite video games of all time, BioShock. This freaking statue was some type of collector's edition. Came in there, the drill moves, some light up functions. But taking you farther around, I know Pops, hey, you love them, you hate them, but Pops are here to stay. There's a Pop for every freaking thing known to man. But look at this wonderful pile. And you're like, slow down, Justice. Let me see what you got. All right, let me take you over here. Various Star Wars and other superhero Lego sets. General Grievous is one of my favorite guys. Awesome Soundwave type tin. Final Fantasy. Yep, I'm a huge Final Fantasy video game player. Final Fantasy VIII's one of my favorites, but some cool statues and action figures. More of the bombshell looking statues. Game of Thrones, even though I know you're probably going to unsubscribe when you hear this. Justice Curry did not watch Game of Thrones. Wait, hear me out. If I watch it, or if I start getting back into video games, that means my toy collecting will take a back seat in the burner, and I won't have time. Like, time is a commodity, and not having enough time to do what I want, it's hard. I'm juggling multiple things, so trying to catch up with Game of Thrones is not within my time budgeting. Someday when I'm retired, I'll go back and watch it. This one's definitely staying in my personal collection. That is sweet. Female version of Edward Scissorhands. More Lego sets. Some cool statues of Teen Titans. Doom collectors. More statues. Another one down there. Video game. Oh, that was, again, BioShock if you haven't played it and you like video games, I highly suggest playing it because you will love it. The chest burster, stuffed animal, statue, more statues. Real cool. Vincent from Final Fantasy VII. Looking forward to adding this to my basement, having my cold pops. Nice and chilled down there. The Nuka-Cola from Fallout 4. Kingdom Hearts. Some Teen Titans. More of these, what are the, not reaction, but yeah, the Funko stuff that came out. Lego, various things. Granted, yeah, I bought that one too. The Big Bang Theory Lego set, some various Legos as well. Chimichanga over here, got a cool looking poster. Some other randoms. Little tiny Lego minifigures. Not sure if these are the knockoff Chinese versions that you can find for a couple bucks, or if those were officially licensed. Not sure yet, but regardless, they're cool. He was telling me about this Star Wars tabletop game similar to like Magic or Warhammer, where you have to actually paint these. So literally, he gets them just flat, one color, and then goes in with a little tiny brush. Let me set this down so I can kind of show you. And makes them look fantastic. Just the amount of work and detail that's put into those, like literally. Let me find another one that I like. Oh, Boba Fett. The detail work on it is wondrous, and you're like, Justice, your camera skills suck. Well, someday I'll actually bring my videographer with me, which my videographer is like my 5-year-old. Another shelf of wonderfulness. Focus. Focus. Focus on me. All right, there we go. Shelf of some randoms here. Got, let's see, Small Soldiers. We got Black Series. More Black Series minus the San Diego Comic-Con. Luke Skywalker, or maybe, no, actually it was a Celebration, or it was San Diego, I don't remember. There was a Luke Skywalker, that's the high dollar one. Everyone's hating on Jar Jar.
Misa, your friend. Don't be mad at me. The prequels were good.
I'm cray-cray, I know. Some of his sentimental stuff stays down there. He's not selling, but other ones that I'm grabbing onto. The reissued Power Rangers that has similar packaging to the ones that came out in the 90s. A bunch of Lego sets. Super excited to add, what I think his name's Ifrit, to my translucent chandelier. Look how cool that looks, huh? Yeah. So Ifrit will go in there. I think her name's Shiva. I already have her hanging up there, but some more Final Fantasy memorabilia. Again, Fallout. Precious. Yes. The Burger King cups. You guys remember these? The Burger King Lord of the Rings cups. Too funny. More pod racing, Lego sets. Some record players. Let's see. Lego sets. Yeah, videos. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, more. I love looking on how people set up their displays because we're all different as far as our style and how we do it. There's some Walking Dead things and some video game memorabilia down there as far as these blind packs, which I've talked about before. Pretty sure these are the yeah. We're the same one and chasing. It's a genius marketing strategy. Nerf guns for my kids can pelt me. Nightmare Before Christmas, NECA stuff. Teen Titan, go! Teen Titans headquarters. Some real nice Transformer stuff. Well, no, these are the reissues that you're still seeing in Walmart. But the 90s not Primal Age, Beast Wars, thank you. I was thinking of that video game, Primal Age. Beast Wars, yeah, making a comeback. That era. This guy, look at that. Woo! Bought that too. Some Yoda. His DTOF shelves are now not populated. Again, pops that we looked at. Going farther in here, some super cool posters. And these were for baseball bats, right? I was itching my nose. I was not picking my nose. I was itching my nose when you just saw that. But they're for displaying a baseball bat, but they're perfect for action figures because it's glass and black in there. These for Vendetta. Let's see, we got Groot over there and some posters. And I'll take you to those video games and we'll be done in a moment. No! Yes, I have to quickly go. I'm several hours away from my house. I love these late 90s Final Fantasy VII extra night figures. I got a complete collection at my house already, but maybe I'll upgrade some. I forgot to ask him if this was for sale. Got to go back to that. Hockey stuff, some Toy Biz, Marvel stuff. Very, very excited. I never knew this one existed. The translucent Venom up there, and some more 90s goodness. And video game stuff. We got Final Fantasy VIII full run, some other stuff, Red Hood, BioShock, more Final Fantasy, one of the big Guardians, Final Fantasy. Then this one I've never seen before, Final Fantasy IX. I didn't even realize they were making characters. He told me it's a little bit more rare than the Final Fantasy VII figures. But yeah, again, want to give you a quick tour. Maybe I'll dive into it some more when I get home, but time's a wasting. I gotta pack this sucker up and have some more fun and hang out with him. So I love you all. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Check out my Patreon page. If you don't know what Patreon is, it's a way for you to get involved with this whole adventure. You know, editing videos and showing you all this stuff and the drive time and whatnot. Even $1 or $2 can help get your name immortalized in the credits and get some awesome perks as well. So check out Patreon. There'll be a link in my description. Love you all. Take care. Keep on collecting. See ya. Bye. Hey guys, Justice Curry. Just wanted to give a shout out to my Patreons or supporters.
Hang on.
Oh my gosh, please stop doing this.
It's counting down.
A skeletor, your bones apart and radio blast you from the jump start. King Randor, a bone apart. It don't matter, they tug at my heart. When I sit back in my chair and check out He-Man to be like.
Brandy, tell me about this picture.
It's a picture of girls that are inappropriate.
I agree. I very much agree.
My mommy doesn't like me looking at this, but it's inappropriate.
It's inappropriate. Let's set it aside and show me what else we got down here.
So I have
Little Curry.
another picture of Spider-Man and the bad guy. You might have seen this movie before, but here's the guy that has the long tail that can suck your blood.
Suck your blood?
He is right here,
Really?
and it matches him because he's a bad guy, really.
Wow, okay.
And then there's Boba Fett. Then this is in the movie. It was the plant monster and it eats people.
Ooh.
And this is like a bad guy.
What movie is it from?
What?
What movie is that from?
This?
Yeah.
I don't know. You'll have to ask my dad. But here's one picture.
Okay.
And I have more pictures to show you. My dad has this picture of all the stormtroopers,
Wow.
which are all white and they're ready to battle.
Very cool.
They have that light because they're in the dark.
What movie are they from?
Star World.
Star World? Star Wars? Okay.
Star Wars.
Okay. What else you got there?
I got more Star Wars pictures. I had this picture of Boba Fett.
Neat.
this is
Star Wars?
this is Star Wars.
Yeah, you're right.
And this is Princess Leia and Luke.
Neat.
And that's Luke and Darth Vader.
Nice.
So I have that one. They're both the same size.
But let's not pick that one up.
I'm not going to.
What is
This
this?
one is, those are the bad guys. This is Luke, and then, yeah.
Cool,
So
leave that
this
there, leave that
one's
there.
ginormous.
That is ginormous. Yeah, what's this other one over here on the floor?
This one probably you can't see, but it's probably big.
I can see.
That black thing
Yeah.
is Darth Vader.
Oh, okay, neat.
And then that says Star Wars.
Okay.
And then I think I have, yeah. And I think I have a book about Batman.
Oh.
And I think I have some other things.
Show me.
Let's see here. So we have this. And then
What's on the table right here?
oh, so this is a bunch of men, and I think, oh yeah, here he is. This is one of those things that
What's his name?
and he probably will move, but not right now because he doesn't move.
What's his name?
This is I don't know what his
You had a big one.
oh that one I'll show you. This
long
is
time ago.
The little one.
Yeah, the little one.
I think my daddy got this little one to match the big one.
But the big one's all gone now.
Yeah, because I'll tell you the story later.
Okay.
But here's a car though, and the door's open.
Neat.
There's
toy
a
line is
lot
it?
of cars.
Oh, okay.
That open.
All right, so Miss Curry, we need to get going to school today. What's today? The last day of
School, and I think I have one more thing.
one more thing to show me?
So these are just like things.
Oh.
And I'll get them out. This one can open its mouth and close it.
Okay.
And then nod. There's actually this on the end. And then its eyes move.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
Or you can do it all the same.
Neat.
And then I think I have a few more things. This guy's head came off. That's okay. But he is probably a bad guy. And he's really scary, probably.
Yeah. Cool.
And I got this one that talks.
Who's that? You know his name?
You can kind of.
What's he saying?
He's saying it really fast, so you might not know what he's saying.
Oh, okay.
But this last thing can speak.
Wow.
And then
Okay, last thing.
thing. I meant 30 things.
No, we gotta go to school.
I meant the last things.
Okay.
This is toys that we play. And then the last things that I just did.
Okay.
And then this is a journal. with
Oh,
my
does
dad.
Daddy write his feelings in there? It's empty. I wonder if he doesn't have feelings. All right.
But this last one is crazy. It's this.
Okay.
You can't pay money, but you just open it by pulling that, then open it, and then you can grab that.
Neat.
It's a kid thing.
Brandy,
It's a kid.
Brandy, can you say Thanks for coming on a tour with me. Look at me.
Thanks for coming on the tour with me.
And say, Little Miss Curry, we'll see you later.
Little Miss Curry, we'll see you later. But before you leave, I have one more quick thing. So this is the bad girl that's
Harley Quinn?
Yeah, that's in Batman.
Oh, okay.
She is the girl that has that big bomb, that big thing, that big
Okay.
right there. Then the other thing I have from Star Wars is a lightsaber. I'll show you how it works.
Whoa!
So this is how it works.
Okay, buddy. Whoa, Brandy, you have crazy skills.
Turn the light on.
Nope, not right now. All right. Whoa. Baby J.
That's how it works.
All right.
I'll see you later.
Baby J, you gotta show me one thing. Thank you, Brandy. Little Miss Curry. Really? Neat, buddy. All right, nope, we're done. Say bye, guys.
But look.
But guess what? We have to go to school.